We're doing today. Everybody can learn anything these days, and why I mean that is there's so much technology out there that lets you aggregate so much knowledge into a very digestible source of information for you. And I want to show you something. Outside, this is fantastic app, this BridgeMind. I'll leave the link in the description. Shout out to this guy. His streams are just fantastic. I don't know, for some reason I just love it. So when you add that, and the reason why we're going to be using Gemini right here, I'm so sorry. Google is really smart. The reason why they're really smart is because I feel they're trying to run a different race, right? And they have too much things to focus on. But the reason why I want you to show you this educational piece is because it helped me fill the gaps in knowledge that I would spend eons to learn. But basically, I want to introduce you to this tool called NotebookLM. First of all, this is how it looks, and you can have your subscription, you can have even on free subscription, you can have some free generations. But basically what it is, you can aggregate any knowledge from almost any source, and yes, YouTube included, right? To learn anything there is, and you can have fast or deep research, and everything. It will just depend on what do you want to learn. But so what I will show you, I'll show you 3 examples of things where this will be one for athletes, one for nerds like me, and one just random when I want to learn about something. So let's start with the first example, and it's going to be for athletes. One of the big thing for me as an athlete, right, is food. I need to understand nutrition. I need to understand how it works. I am the guy who really wants to know the things why behind the things, right? So for me to do that, I need to learn things myself, right? And quite frankly, I don't have the 30 nutrition chefs who will do everything for me to play well. It's really on me. And I think a lot of athletes who are professional athletes are in the same boat. So let's start with this. So it's gonna do it, it's gonna do a quick one. So it's not gonna be something that super in detail and deep, but I just want to show you, okay, for example, it's already done. I wanted to show you other things, but let's just stick with this example, no problems. So while it's adding, it will very much do a very important job of reading through all these files and understanding, the sources, the quality of the sources. Let's just open even the first link that we're gonna see it, and this is basically one of the best sources there is, right? Where creatine monohydrate, let's be realistic, it's a very important supplement. But here we are. So let's come back, right? So now you have all this information, you have this, you can chat. The best thing about it is now it's collected all the information. First, you can chat about it. You can ask, let's ask a question. Let's say, hey, I am 6'10", 245. How much protein should I consume a day to not feel over bloated, but to keep my muscle intact? So now it's going through all these files right here and trying to find the answer on my question, not based on some random web stuff, but the actual sources that you would like to. As you can see, there is a YouTube video in here. So it's basically scraped the YouTube video because YouTube is a part of Google. While this is happening, I want you to see these fantastic tools right here. It is so underrated. Y'all cannot even imagine to what point. So I will use I will use an audio overview here, and then I'll show you each three of those in a different ones. So right now, while this is generating, this is that. Let's start another search, right? So it's created a new one, but let's create a new notebook, right? And let's start another. So let's say I want to understand this new change in tech world? What are agents? What is AI? Videos by good tech influencers. The word good, whoever want to pick on the word good, I don't know if you consider me a tech influencer, because I'm not really, I don't even know what I'm doing half of the time, but I'm learning what I'm doing. So now let's just let it ride. Just let it find. Let's see what's got here. Now it's still generating. So while it's still generating, let's go to number 3. So number 3, we're going to put some random topic. I'm fascinated by the topic of game theory, right? So let's put is find me everything there is about game theory and help me teach myself core principles with very simple language. This is the beauty of Len. If I misspell it, it's fine. I cannot spell. That's just what it is. Again, let's just run it. That's it. And you don't need to do much to get knowledge these days. You just don't need to. Okay, there we go. And look, I said focus on YouTube videos. It's only pulled YouTube videos, which is fantastic. So this is still generating. We still have time. It's still looking through data. Even though I ask it to be okay, it's fine. I can wait. It's not a problem. Main thing here is I want to show you this. This is just happens. Okay, so it pulled all this. Great, right? Now, video overview. So now this is where the stuff is gonna be super fun. I'm just gonna press generate. Shout out to Google for giving their Google VO where you can generate a lot of videos. Shout out to that. But I want to show this function to people because people need to understand how unbelievably great this is, right? So this is still going. This is still going. Let's look here. Okay, game theory, fantastic. YouTube videos, simple, even a Reddit link. Actually, Google bought Reddit. I forgot about that. Even though it's infested with bots, but it's still owned by Google, so you still can pull out a great information there. Might do one video about how can you make a thing go viral on Reddit. Basically can go make anything go viral on Reddit. And it's funny because it always works for any SEO or any tricks like that. But if somebody watches the video and says that they want it, I will give it to them. But let's who doesn't know what game theory is, learn it, especially what the prisoner dilemma is. And a lot of kids my age, we always had a prisoner dilemma between each other in certain jokes, but I'm not going to say it out loud. It's a video. Maybe kids will be watching it. But for this, I'm going to be using a slide deck. And so the rest of these things is just, let's just wait and I'll show you what it does. It finally finished with everything. As you can see, it gave me a pretty good answer right here about how much food I should eat and everything, but this is not the most important function I wanted to have. So let's say you love podcast, and let's say you like to. Have you ever had a feeling when you listen to a podcast and you're like, I wish I could have asked them this question? So here's where this fun begins. Look.
Picture this. You are standing in like the middle of the supplement aisle at one of those massive nutrition stores.
Oh yeah, the ones with the giant. Oh hey, I think our listeners got something to say.
Yes, I have a question for you guys. I'm a professional athlete and I'm really struggling with my nutrition. What would be your number one advice for me to take in, from all the information that you know regarding my nutrition?
Wow, first of all, it is so cool to have a pro athlete tuning in.
It really is, and we appreciate you sharing that struggle with us.
If I had to boil all this down to just one number one tip for you,
I would say don't overlook the basics in favor of the flashy stuff.
Okay, right there, now you got the point of what it can do. You can talk to these people. The second thing is the video. Now look at this. I did not touch it. It just created what it has to create. Look at
Welcome to This Explainer. Okay, let's just dive right in because we are standing at the edge of a massive technological shift. For the past couple years, we've all been totally fascinated by artificial intelligence.
10 minutes.
Agents can actively browse the web, send emails, or control your software. Second, memory. They actually remember context across a long standalone.
So pretty much you get the point of this can do. And now the game theory is we're going to slide decks. The one you can revise, finally, shout out to them, they actually gave this function. You can download as PDFs or PowerPoint, whatever. But look at how they done. Of course, you will see, if you ever see, like, it's a game for everybody who will ever see this. And just how the presentations are made these days by young people. Shout out to them too. But look at this. All these things were generated by Nano Banana. All of them. Like, look at this. Like, look at these details. Look. This is unbelievably cool thing. Yep. And honestly, that's a perfect end of the video. Mastering the matrix. Because this is where we at right now. Make it work, guys. Y'all welcome.